Okay. So we're looking at another rental property today here in Cancun. Welcome, welcome. How much is this place? What's the price of this place?
18,000.
18. Oh my God. Holy. 18,000 pesos. Welcome to Cancun, Mexico. Beautiful place though. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful. Nobody's in it.
Gimnasio.
Gimnasio.
Gimnasio, creo que aquí adentro no hay gimnasio. Creo que hay un gimnasio al aire libre.
It's okay. But a beautiful pool area. It is beautiful. High security to get in here.
Yes.
You got to go through 2 security guards to get in. Very nice though. These look pretty new and pretty modern. This is what we were looking at with Riley and Lysandra, something similar to this. Second floor?
Yes. Oi.
Oh. Welcome to the jungle.
Assigned. Is that T173A?
Oh, okay.
This is
Okay, so there's parking there. Perfecto. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, this is pretty beautiful, high end, nice place. Very nice. TV, little balcony.
yes. You have the curtains, blackout, or if you want.
Ah, perfecto. See, yeah. Nice. Yeah.
It's to recommend you is mainly for me for the upselling. Of course, you
Okay.
as it as a price, but we think for the first
That's the red
one
one.
is around 7 or 8.
There's really
Oh, you guys can look in there. So here's the 1 bathroom. Very nice.
the kitchen.
Very nice.
You have the washing machine.
Nice shower. Like the tile. Really nice.
The other bedroom.
Here's the
You have
spare bedroom. Very nice. Double bed, AC, the same kind of blinds. A view of the parking lot. Yeah, view of the parking lot and jungle.
agua y luz. Separa aparte. Llegan los recibos en caseta.
Yeah, these places are brand new. Oh, the big TV's in here. Wow, nice. Yeah, this is super nice. Super nice. Very nice place. Wow. A lot of white. So you got a walk-in closet. Same bathroom. I dressed up today. And the shower. Curtains though. For a high-end place, I'm surprised they got shower curtains, to be honest with you. I'm surprised it's not a glass door. There you go. That's it. Very beautiful place though. I love the countertop.
You have the oven.
Yeah, and that's all gas. I like it. I love the kitchen.
Yes.
Lots of counter space.
Gas estacionario.
Muy grande.
This is como
Got this, and here's your
la salva.
little utility room. So you got the washer there. You got hot water on demand. It's got a nice stove. This is brand new. This is a brand new place. There's no dishes or anything here. You'd have to buy absolutely everything too.
Yes.
That's same builder, she said. 'Cause this
Nice
looks
fridge.
Similar.
You know,
Well,
you got the freezer in the bottom.
I think the ones in the cell bar.
Yeah, we're gonna carry on and go look at some more places here. This place is really nice, but it's a little bit over our budget. They would go down to 17, so there you go. If you want to pay 17,000 pesos, nothing's included. No dishes, no pots, no pans. You'd have to buy absolutely everything. And then you would pay everything as well. Nothing's included. But it is a beautiful place. Absolutely beautiful. Brand new, I would say. Doesn't look like anybody's lived in there to me. So, okay, let's carry on.
Solo lo que está ahí. Sí, ya no tiene más, algunos iban a dejar algunas cosas, pero lo mínimo. No, ya se las llevaron. Sí había otras, pero se las llevaron porque estaban viejitas. Aquí tiene una bodeguita. Pero medio baño. Si gustan subir.
Baño. Bathroom number 1, number 2. And then
Y este es el dos recámaras.
spare bedroom. It's got AC. Closet.
Y tiene para guardar
Okay.
un closet.
Perfecto. Linen closet and the master bedroom. Oh, this would be the extra bedroom.
Incluye solo el mantenimiento. Ya el internet, consumo de agua y luz. Sería que todo pagar.
There was a pool? Over there?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Oh, see. Okay. So this place is not that great. And here's a pool. I wonder, these look familiar though. So townhouse style. I didn't really care for the suite. It was kind of, the bedrooms are super small.
Here, you want me to send it to you? No, but you just...
Well, these places are pretty nice. Let's go take a peek, my friend. Lots of shade. I like the trees. Nice pool that nobody's in. I like it. Very nice. Oh.
Lots of breeze up top.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Oh, you're under. Big. Very spacious. Very nice. Oh, look, it comes with some seashells. Look at.
Tiene caracoles.
Nice.
Este sí tiene algunos platos y cubiertos. Sí.
Okay.
Bueno, espero que no se los hayan llevado los inquilinos antes.
Oh, got a full-size wash machine. Nice.
Que tienen pocos. Tenía más.
Very nice. Little TV. Oh, it's got a little desk too, babe. There's a little workstation. Need a chair, but whatever. There's a table there. Very nice. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Here's the master bedroom. Nice closet space. The baño. Yeah, glass doors, I like that. Very nice. Yeah, this place is pretty good. It's definitely a contender,
All right, 3-bedroom.
I would say. What's that?
I said, all right, 3-bedroom.
Yeah, it's a 3-bedroom, yeah, Trace. In the main bathroom. Yeah, this is a nice place, it's okay. Oh, we got a little deck here too. Little deck. Little patio. Yeah, this is okay.
Tiene tanque estacionario, se llena con un camión que viene a llenar, no es de cilindro. No sé cómo decirlo en inglés. Y tiene lavadora también. Sí.
All right, Chico. Well, these places are pretty nice, I would have to say. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Adios. Hasta luego. Oh, they got the hard Mexican flag up there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, nice garden area. Very nice. Camera set up. There's a camera there. Safety. Okay.
Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. Tengo que salir de aquí.